If you're a parent or a carer, you will already know the hard work that your child's school or college has been doing to keep pupils, staff and everyone in our education community safe. And I want to say a huge thank you again to all our education staff for their tremendous efforts over the last few weeks. We are currently asking all staff in primary schools and all staff and pupils in secondary schools and colleges to take a lateral flow test twice a week. Finding new asymptomatic cases helps to ensure that cases are not brought into our education settings. I can confirm that next week the vaccination program will start for 12 to 15-year-olds. Pupils have been invited to vaccination centres in the evenings or on the weekends. And I'm also pleased that by the end of next week, local authorities are scheduled to receive the first delivery of CO2 monitors for schools and colleges. On self-isolation, the current scientific advice is that under 18s do not need to self-isolate if they are a close contact of someone who has tested positive. Young people are at the least risk of harm from the virus, and we know that if someone in your home has COVID, only a minority of people will go on to catch it. We also know the importance to young people's well-being for them to be learning in school with their friends. We'll continue to monitor this situation, we will listen to concerns, and we will follow the scientific evidence. I hope that's reassuring, and I will continue to keep you updated with the latest information. Diolch yn fawr.